Hi, welcome to NDTV Swirlster. Today I have with me the Carrera compact hair dryer number 532. I have it right here in my hand and I promise to give you a detailed look at it. But before I do, let me just tell you a little bit about it. Now this is called a compact hair dryer because it is actually foldable. It folds at the handle. Again, I will show you that a little later. It also has titanium and ceramic coating to prevent hot air from affecting your hair while it is being blow dried. It also has an air stream which is infused with argan oil and keratin to ensure that your mane gets even shinier and silkier when it is being blow dried. Apart from that, it has a heat and airflow setting. It has two of them right here and it has a detachable nozzle in the front. So without further ado, let me just lead you into a close-up of this hair dryer. The Carrera compact hair dryer number 532 looks like this. As you can see, the name of the model is visible on the side of it. It has a grill like design at the back and this is what the front looks like. A look at the handle of the hair dryer. Now it is a compact hair dryer because it folds at the handle. When folded, it looks like this. Folding it is a little bit tough and you will need to put a bit of effort when folding it. Doesn't go through as a snap. Now in front of the hair dryer are its buttons. It has two buttons which adjust the heat and airflow in one. That means you cannot control heat and airflow separately with this hair dryer. On top is the cool shot button which gives airflow of cold air when blow drying your hair. Now this also comes with a separate nozzle which can be attached to this. They're clicked into place. Again, you can adjust the direction in which the nozzle faces depending on the way and your comfort of styling your hair. It also includes a storage pouch if you plan on traveling with this hair dryer, and at the base of this, along with its cord, it has a socket so that it adjusts for the sockets in our homes usually used. Now that we have seen a close-up of this hair dryer as well as a look at all the accessories that it comes with, let me tell you a little bit about my thoughts of using the compact hair dryer as well as my experience of it. For one, they call it a compact hair dryer specifically because it is very travel friendly, and a main detail of that is because of its foldable handle. Now right here is how the handle folds. You press down on the head and it folds into the handle. You can do this either way. So this is what it folds into, and I find the shape very easy. It's very travel friendly and very easy to pull around. Also the fact that it has an attachment, so if you do want precision when styling your hair, you can always add this in, but it is not attached. So if you do not want any precision, you just want a regular blow dry, you can use the hair dryer as is. That's another feature I think which adds to its compact portable nature. Apart from that, having a little pouch that comes with this hair dryer, it's a very attractive pouch too, and that's another addition which adds to its travel friendly nature, because if you do plan on carrying it when you are traveling, you can tuck all your accessories right here, your wire, your socket, your plug, and just go. You won't have to search through your baggage when you have this pouch with you. Another thoughtful addition to the set, the fact that it also comes with a socket like a plug point that is suitable for our walls and our electricity voltage is a great addition. So you do not have to search for one and buy a separate one when you have this hair dryer. But now when it comes to the usability of this, I have found that when it comes to bending this, I found that a little difficult to bend. Like I mentioned earlier, you have to put a bit of effort into it, and that kind of makes you a little apprehensive. If you're putting too much of effort, will it crack, will it break? So that's something to be noted. Apart from that, I feel the same way also about the buttons. Now the buttons need a bit of effort to shift them. You need to put a little more pressure on your finger when you are shifting them. So again, that's something to be noted when you are using it. It isn't as light usage as a regular one. Then when it comes to the button specifically, now the buttons have two settings. They control your heat temperature as well as your airflow, but it only has one set of buttons for two types of settings. I find that very limiting because you have to control one while controlling the other. You don't have that freedom to choose from one and choose from the other. It limits you because there's only one button for two settings. But I do like the cool shot button. It's nice when you are feeling hot or your hair starts heating up and you just need a gust of cool breeze when using it. The design is such that it has a grill-like design at the back, and this is something to be cautious about because I personally, from my experience when using it, a few of my strands of hair got pulled into the grill. So when using it, it's necessary to be cautious because your hair shouldn't get pulled in and it becomes very inconvenient and painful to pull it out from the back. Apart from that, I think overall as a hair dryer, this compact one is great, especially for travel. It's easy and it does the basic functions of a blow dryer fairly well. It says that its airflow is enriched with argan oil and keratin for shinier hair. It did a job that was good enough for blow drying my hair, but I didn't notice anything particularly shiny or silky after blow drying my hair with this. Apart from that, the price of it is retailing at approximately rupees 4990, and I find that a little high for the kind of functions that this promises. And functionality wise, I find that there is a lot of room for improvement with this hair dryer, but it does the basic functions of blow drying the hair well enough and is very travel friendly if you plan on going anywhere and want to hairstyle on the go.